Rosina went for a walk, singing in the forest. Cock-a-doodle-doo, so happy, the sun was shining here. Suddenly high above, something began to fly. A very colorful macaw came to introduce itself. Blue, 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 its feathers shine in the sky. Red, red, what a beautiful color appeared. Yellow, yellow, like the sun shining. The macaw opened its wings and began to dance. Whoa, whoa, da-da-da. Rosina flapped her wings and began to twirl. All the little animals together came to play. Lay, lay, blue, red, yellow, what a colorful party in the air. The macaw flies happily and invites everyone to sing. Cock-a-doodle-doo, sings Rosina, celebrating in the forest.